Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to unbox Motorola Pulse Max over-ear headphones. Guys, this is a wired headphones. There is a variant for the wireless also in the same model. Guys, I bought this from Flipkart for 700 rupees on a sale. The original price of this headset is mentioned as 2,499 on the box. It says that guys, it has the 40mm drivers. It is a over-ear headphones. It says that it's lightweight, and guys, it comes with a built-in microphone so that you can answer calls with this headphones. That's the same thing is on also this side. Okay, let's unbox it.
Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't tryna pressure her. She messed with the temperature. Hard road this.
Wow, here comes the headphones. Guys, the color I bought is white color, and it is also available on gold and black color variant. On the box, as there is nothing on the box, let's keep the box aside. Guys, this is an instruction manual. We don't need it. There is another manual in there. This is the user manual. This says that how to use the headphones and how not to use the headphones. Okay, we don't need it. Let's keep it aside. Now let's take a look at the headphone itself. Guys, in this headphone the wire is detachable, in which you can detach the wires from the headphones. Let's check out the headphones. Wow, guys, really it is very lightweight. I think it weighs around 150 or 200 grams. Let's check it out. Guys, the weight of the headphones is not mentioned here on the box, but it really feels very light. Guys, the wire length is 1.2 meters. It is detachable from the headphones. The microphone is on the wire itself. The quality of the wire feels good, and the headphones, the 3.5mm headphone jack on the wire is gold plated on both the sides. Let's take a look at the headphone itself. Guys, the left-right markings are on the headphones. It is rotatable. It is not fully rotatable, it is just 90-degree rotatable. Also, the headphones is adjustable like this. Guys, it is so flexible. I like the dual color theme on it. There is a light ash gray color here and the white color here. Guys, the 3.5mm headphone jack is on the left side of the headphones here. There is a soft cushion on the headrest. The cushion on the headphones feels very soft on both the sides. The right left markings are on the headphone itself, where you can see here. The Motorola logo is on both sides of the headphones. Guys, if you are going to expand it very long, then it's going to break. I think the plastic will break here. It is also extendable like this on both the sides. There is a steel like plate attached here where it is extendable. The microphone is attached on the wire itself, so that you can answer calls. As the total length of this wire is 1.2 meters. The microphone side goes on the top. The microphone side goes on the headphones, and the other end goes on your computer or phone or any other gadgets. I think it can be kept on the backpack like this. Guys, it is not foldable like this. If you try to fold it, then it's going to break easily. Okay guys, let me test the headphones and test the sound quality. Let's play the sound with really great bass. I'm hearing the sound on the highest volume on my phone. Wow, I'm really impressed with this headset, guys. The bass quality is amazing, and the bass and the sound quality is really great, guys, from this headset. The 40mm drivers are really doing the great job. Guys, really the headphones feels good and the sound quality is good from this headset. I will place the headphones near the microphone so that you guys can hear the sound from this headphone itself. See how great it is. See how great the sound quality is from the headset. Guys, I really love this headset. I bought this for my editing and other things. I think I'm really going to use it for a very long time. Whenever I'm going to use headphones, I think I'm going to use these headphones for editing and other stuff which I'm going to do. I love these headphones from Motorola. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button. If you have any suggestions, please comment down below in the comment box. And please don't forget to subscribe for my channel for more videos. Bye.